next film I'm going to review is Stand By Me, 1986. It happened a long time ago, but only if you measure it in terms of years. That line from the trailer really struck me. I went to see the film with some friends when it was being screened at Streatham Odeon in South London. I was living in Tulse Hill back then in 1987. I realised that year how much I loved the cinema experience. Right from the moment the Pearl and Dean theme music played before the adverts, to staying behind whilst everyone else piles out of the auditorium during the credit roll. It was a very difficult time. There was a lot of great music in 1987, including Stand By Me in the charts, but I was starting to go through the toughest time in my life. It's strange when feelings and memories are evoked from the past, but overall I'm just glad I survived it all, and whilst there are plenty of challenges today, I'm much happier to be in 2023 than 1987. Moreover, I have been to Oregon, the state where this story is set, and I loved it. Salem was an awesome place to see the Great American Eclipse in August 2017. One quote that really resonated from this film was, "I'd like to go someplace where nobody knows me." It really is difficult growing up, being judged by others, often unfairly, and the young lads in this film go on quite a coming-of-age adventure. It's peculiar, but they think they might be seen as heroes if they locate the dead body of a boy who one of the lads has overheard is rumoured to be by the railroad tracks. It's a 20-mile trek, and as well as negotiating that distance, they have to contend with older, rougher boys who are on a similar mission, but in their own cars, and also the danger of trains because they're walking on the railroad itself. And trains are heavy and won't be able to brake, so they have to get out of the way. There's an early scene in which one of the lads stays on the tracks when a train is coming, and it's a really poignant moment. It is like he's perhaps in a confused state. He's talking about he's possibly going through some sort of tumultuous experience. There is something about the life and death danger of trains. The nature of life and death is quite a strong theme running through this film. So walking along railroads seems to be a pastime in the States. While some youngsters do trespass on National Railway property here, usually to paint up graffiti, it's highly illegal, and given the speed of trains in the UK, it's extremely hazardous. The scenes where these young guys cross a narrow bridge 100 feet above a river is my highlight from this film. The tension is amped up, especially by the zoomed camera shots, and I really like the atmospheric cinematography. It's a beautiful area this summer in semi-arid conditions with blue skies and sunshine. Really reminds me of summer on the west coast of the USA. There's also a revelation at the end from the narrator. It adds a bittersweet reflection to this tale. I score this 8 out of 10. I don't know how much I would have scored it in 1987, but I might check if I can find a diary entry for it. My next review will be of a more contemporary coming-of-age drama with similarities and differences. Hope to see you watching that soon. And thanks for watching this review. Let me know your thoughts about the film. Bye for now.